we talk about coal, combustion, petrol, this type of material. Today we talk about some basic concepts such as isotope. First thing, isotope. When we talk about isotope, we form two words. First word is iso and second word is tope. Iso means same and tope means position. Iso means same, tope means position. If the position are same, it means atomic number are same. It means atomic number are same, but atomic mass are different. Then this situation is called as isotope. Such as hydrogen. Hydrogen atomic number is 1. Then second one we also as a hydrogen 1H. Third one 1H. All three hydrogen have same position or not?
Yes, sir.
But if atomic mass is 1, here 2 and here 3. If upper surface are different, but lower surface are same, then that condition is denoted as a isotope. Clear?
Yes, sir.
6C12 and 6C14. Tell me, lower surface are same or not?
Yes, sir.
Upper surface are same?
No, sir.
If lower surface are same, upper surface are not same, then that situation is isotope. Clear?
Yes, sir.
7 and 14. 7 and 15.
Okay.
Tell me, lower surface?
Same.
7. Upper surface?
Different.
Then that is isotope. Clear?
Yes, sir.
As like isotope, we talk about isobar. In isobar, same atomic mass, but differ atomic number. Clear, beta?
Yes.
What should be same? Atomic mass. What should be differ? Atomic number. Such as 6 is 14, 7 and 14. Lower value is same or differ?
Differ.
Upper value same or differ?
Same.
If upper value same, lower value differ, then that is called as 1 is 3, 2 is 3. Tell me, lower value same or differ?
Differ.
Upper value?
Same.
That is? Tell me, 7 and 16, 8 or 16, lower value same or differ? Upper value?
Same.
That is? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Third one, isotope. In this situation, number of neutron will same. Which value will be same? Number of neutron. And how we calculate number of neutron? As like 7 and 15 is there. Then when we subtract upper value minus lower value, 15 minus 7 it means 8. That value is denoted the number of neutron. 6 is 12. Then beta 12 minus 6. 11 and 23. 23 minus 11 it means 12. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Upper minus lower. The value is denoted by the number of neutron. Clear?
Yes, sir.
15 minus 7, 8. 12 minus 6, 6. 23 minus 11, 12. the number of neutron will be same, then that situation is indicated about
Isotope.
7 and 15, 8 or 16. First thing, lower value will be same or differ?
Differ.
Upper value will same or differ?
Differ.
If lower values will be same, then that is isotope.
Yes, sir.
Upper value will be same, then isotope. But both situations are not same. Then
Isotope.
wait, beta. First we calculate 15 minus 7, 8. 16 minus 8, 8. This value will be same, na?
Yes, sir.
This value will be same, then that is called as
Isotope.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Tell me beta. 11 and 23. 12 and 24. Lower value will be same or differ?
Yes, sir.
11 and 12. Same?
Differ.
23, 24. Same or
Differ.
then subtract 23 minus 1. 24 minus 1. This value will be same. That is it out. Now beta. Isoelectronic. Now isoelectronic. If the number of electrons is same, if the number of electrons will be same, then it is called as isoelectronic. Who is talking? What I say? If the number of electron will same, then that is indicated about isoelectronic. Clear?
Yes, sir.
The lower value which indicate about electron. Lower value indicate about electron. Clear?
Yes, sir.
If plus sign is there, then it can participate in subtraction. Plus sign is there, then it participates in subtraction. And minus is there, then it is participating in addition. Okay?
Yes, sir.
If plus sign is denoted, then we subtract it. When minus sign is denoted, then we add it. Okay, beta? We write 10 yani, 11 yani, 12 and 3. Here 9 here, 8. Tell me beta, lower value is number of electron na? Then here number of electron is 8. Here 9. Here
8,
here
11,
here
12.
here. I give here minus sign. Here double one. Minus sign is participating. How many minus?
1.
Then we add 1. How many minus is there? 2. Then we add
2.
8 plus 2.
10.
9 plus 1.
10.
This 2 is equal with 10 or not?
Yes, sir.
Here 11, 15 plus, and here 2 plus. Plus it means minus 2. 11 minus 1, 10. This lower value will be same or not?
Yes, sir.
If the lower value will be same, then that is represent